Actually, what am I doing nowadays? I'm revising those lessons whose PPT was sent by the students. Yesterday there was presentation from our hero, Mirajan. Today there is presentation of the slides of our next hero. No, 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 that's wrong. That type of word don't use here. That heroines, they are in movies only. So in other sector, only hero. Do you know about one prize? CNN hero. Anuradha Koirala from Nepal, she has got CNN hero. Pushpa Basnet, she has got CNN hero. Not hero, heroine. Heroine in movie, other field heroes only. Understood or not? So, today whose presentation? Next hero, who is that? Avisha Duwadi. They say, like, Pasang Lamu Sherba. She was also one of the greatest hero of mountain climbing. Don't say heroine. Remember. Okay, Eric Harga. So now we are going to discuss the presentation. First presentation is here. In first presentation, we are going to check those questions prepared and submitted by Avisha. So what you have submitted, you also can find out here. Class 8, full mark 20, pass mark 8. That means this is evaluation test question paper, right? For which evaluation test? First one. In Anupam, students prepare questions themselves. Now I will adapt another system, checking also. I will conduct the exam from their question paper and others they will check. And how much marks they give, that is the matter. Okay, MCQ. Two questions were there. What is the first question? AI. What is the answer? Artificial intelligence. It's easy. What is the first step of scientific method? What is that? Making an organism observation. 2 marks finished. Out of 20, 2 marks gone. Question number 2. Very short questions. What do you mean by cyber ethics? Set of rules that must be followed by internet users or while using the internet. If we follow the rules. Maharaj, what is going on? Do you think Maharaj? One walk at a time. Okay? If we start doing 2 walk at a time, means you won't be success in any field. Number B, what is printer ID stripe? What is printer? What is it? Printer. Unity style is there. That is the device which gives us hard copy, right? That is output device. And what are the types of printer? Impact printer and non-impact printer. You can write. Short questions. What is cloud computing?
Cloud computing is a method of computing in which a customer gets a service hosted by the internet service provider.
It means in this technology we can store huge amount of data in cloud, in air. Whenever we need, we can get it. We don't need any storage device. Do we need? If you make Gmail, then you will get 15 GB free of cost. You can store that thing in either Google Drive, Google Photos or Gmail. But there are other also things, and sometimes last time one fellow was saying 100 GB we can get free of cost. So we can store very more things on it. Like my citizenship, my character certificate, my other important documents, I have already kept in my Google Drive. Now I should not carry them. Just I need internet access and I must remember my username and password. It comes. Describe observation in short. Observation, that is the first step of scientific learning. 5 sense organs are used, right? And We just analyze. No, only not analyze, just observation, looking. Write to importance of scientific test. Why is observation important? I think both questions are similar answer. Here also observation. And long questions, what is there? This question was discussed yesterday also. Four safety rules or measures followed while working in a laboratory. Parts of website. What are the different parts of website? What are they? Same question, miss. Now I think she has asked it from which chapter? Living beings and their structure. And at first we have discussed about nucleus, right? And what about slide? No, format and no. How it comes here? Sorry? No. Oh, added. First of all, let's discuss this. Nucleus. Nucleus is also called the brain of cell, right? Why is nucleus called brain of cell?
Because it controls all part of.
Yeah, it controls the functions of all other parts, right? Other parts are also not functionally, they have a function, but they are also controlled by nucleus. That's why they call brain. So nucleus has got mainly four parts. What are the four parts? Nuclear membrane. Is there nuclear membrane? Not nuclear envelopes. You can see here. Nuclear envelope. Next one is chromatin. Actually, chromatin, these are small thread-like structures, but during the time of cell division, they become visible, a bit thicker. We call them chromosome. When they dehydrate, when they lose water, they become thicker and visible. When they gain water, rehydrate, then they become invisible. That is the thing. Chromatin fibers, nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm and nucleolus. Mainly four parts. One is nucleolus. Next one is chromatin or chromosome. Nuclear envelope, or we can say nuclear membrane. And next one is some thicker fluid is there, that is called nucleoplasm. Nuclear membrane. It is double layered membrane that includes other parts of nucleus. So nucleoplasm. What is nucleoplasm? That is the liquid or fluid present inside the nucleus, nucleoplasm. Nucleolus is round structure present inside the nucleus, round structure. And chromosome, these are the thread-like structures which lie inside the nucleus, and they contain hereditary characters. What do they contain? Means our characters are present inside the chromosome, and during sexual reproduction, male gamete and female gamete fuse together and chromosomes carry the characteristics. That's why we resemble to our parents or grandparents. We may resemble to our grandparents also. Some characteristics, not 100%, because parents possess some characteristics and from them it comes to us. Yes or no? Functions of nucleus. What are the different functions of nucleus?
It
Regulates the cell cycle. Cell cycle means sometimes the cell is smaller in size, bigger. When it becomes a bit much bigger, breaks down and becomes again 2 number, 4 number, 8 number. That is cell cycle. We see our life cycle. Just you talk or think about 14 years ago. How old are you, children? How old are you? 13 years. What do you think about him? He is just 13 years old. Just think about 12 years ago. How was your condition? Were you like this? Some of you might be crawling on the ground. Some producing thick mucus. Some producing tote boli. Some you are having little bit of teeth. Right? But now, you are in adolescence. After 40 years, some of you don't have some teeth also. Long beard, boys, not girls. And girls, white hair, wrinkled face, and difficult to recognize. And Priyanshi will say, Jane, we studied together in Anubhav. Oh, yeah. Bending also. Time passes. In the same way, cell also has got life. Small, big. It controls metabolic activities. Metabolic activity means respiration, excretion, circulation, etc. In unicellular animals, it helps in reproduction. Because of nucleus, two nuclei are formed, a new organism is produced, and genes present in DNA help in transmission of characteristics. DNA, one thing remember, chromosomes thread-like structure. In chromosome, what is present there? DNA. Inside DNA, what is there? Genes. That's why if there is any problem, confusion, they say DNA test. No? If DNA test of mine and this Sumit Khadka is done, does it match? Doesn't match, because we are produced from different parents. Yes or no? If Priyansi's DNA and her father DNA test is done, then what will happen? Will it match or not?
Yes.
Definitely. Matters like that. Because they are produced from, or they are connected with some same ancestors. Her grandfather and her father's father were same person. What same? Not were same, only one. It implies to others also. Relationship between cells, tissues, organs and organ system. So, among these four, which is the smallest one? With the basic unit? Cell. Cell is basic unit. Cell group together, what do they form? Tissue. Tissue group together, what do they form? Organs. Organs group together, system. And the system makes an organism, body. That is the thing. Right? Okay, that was today's discussion. And tomorrow we'll be discussing the portion sent by roll number 3. Roll number 3, more. It is still confusing. Hi, you can do. Sumit Sunar, be active. Your turn. So we can find out how much and how many slides they have prepared and sent. Right? Okay, today this much. Now open your book, your chapter. New books conditionally like this. This is the book of our Sushant, right? One day you will tear his pen to half side, one side, and one long. Preserve the book of boys, girls. Okay, page number. Unit 3. You have to read Unit 3. Afterwards, I will give you some facts. Okay? Come on, start.